Pharma Tales update. Cough syrup news from India. The Delhi High Court has made a decision about certain cough syrups. This is good news for drug companies like Glenmark and Zuventus. The court said a ban on certain cough syrups for young children will apply from now on, not to past sales. Drug companies must warn doctors and publish notices that these drugs should not be given to kids under 4. This aims to ensure safe use of these medications. Follow Pharma Tales for more drug news, important information for families.